and welcome back to Think One More. So today what I'm going to be doing is a quick video for people who are just starting their YouTube channel and want to know an easy and simple editor for or to use. So this is a e-learning software as well, so if there's any teachers watching this video, then you can use this for e-learning or distance learning, as we all are doing right now. But what this application is called is ActivePresenter, and it's by Atomic Systems. So I guess let's get into it. So here I am inside my desktop, and what the app is, I'll just bring it up to you guys here now. So you want to search ActivePresenter, and click on the first link. Now you're going to see ActivePresenter 8. That's the latest one so far. So click download. Yep, as it says, powerful learning software. So I had actually just gotten the latest version that was released May 29, 2020. So they update frequently. When you click download, you will go through the downloading process, which you will download a DMG and then double click it. So this is also for Mac and Windows 10. 64-bit only, so that's one thing to keep in mind for all the Windows users out there. And you will fully download the app, move it to the applications folder, and then have it inside your computer. Now, if you were to open it, it would just show this small bit, loading library, and this is what you would see. Now you can make a blank project, record video, a software simulation, a responsive project, an import of a PowerPoint, and you can open an existing one. As you can see, COVID Update 4, that is for my latest video, the COVID-19 update number 4. So, if you want to record a video, how I used to do it before I had my studio, how I used to do it was with the webcam of the computer. I used to click the record video and just make my face cam the full size of the entire screen, covering up the background. And you might be wondering, well, if this is just recording the background screen, how is this a video editor? Well, technically, this is the free edition. There is a standard and other better edition, has a few more features, but this free edition has pretty much most of the stuff you need for simple video editing. Just to kind of check it out, we can click just a blank project, and it will load in just this blank project. It almost looks like Google Slides, and like this stuff might all seem like really complicated, but it's not really. So here's just the normal stuff they would have: cut, copy, new slide. You can make slides like this, and like it automatically makes those layouts. If you want a blank layout, you can make it like that. And what you also can do is that for these slide properties, cancel, I accidentally clicked that. There is going to be a slide properties on the side. I just closed it out to make it easier to see, but it is going to be there. And let's just show it with one slide. Layout blank. And you can do the screen recording, put it on here, and then have the webcam with it. What I do is that I'm recording with the camera, my webcam. I do the screen recording, and I just import the video of the webcam into this. So now that was the home. This is kind of other standard stuff that you could probably figure out. And then there's inserts. You can insert a container shape and all of these different things, which is really cool. I don't use most of them, but I can start to, if you guys want me to, add like these cool effects. Then questions, once again, this is an e-learning software. At the same time, design, here are some templates. I'm gonna keep it blank for now. Transitions, so when you're transitioning from slide to slide, you can do these different transitions, and some of them have like effect options. Like if you're flying through, you can do an in or out, or uncover. You can do like top left, or from all of these options. And animations. So you can add like an image, and you can make it pulse, teeter, and do some other kind of cool things. When you're exporting, you can export it to images for each and every slide. You can export it to a video, which is what I usually do, and you can directly publish it to YouTube. You can do that if you want, but I would say inside YouTube Studio it's better because you get every single option. Then you can export to these other things too. View, you can drag and drop. There's snapping. These are things you can allow. So like you can have snapping or not. And fit in preview, zoom fit, all those other things. And here's help, like if you want to activate the product, if you get the not free edition. So that's pretty much everything you would see on the slides. But now you would see this. So here, if like you would add the image, you'll see another thing for like an image pop-up, and you want to see when you want to do it. And this is the timeline, like animation softwares like Krita or really anything. And in the timeline, you can adjust where you want things. You can insert a time, play, stop. You can record a narration, and you can cut, arrange, copy, delete, insert, how I said, split the audio, join audio or video, change the playback speed, insert a blur area, adjust volume, audio fade in, audio fade out, audio noise reduction, and all of these things. Like if I were to insert a blur area, I would select and, well, select an object too and blur the area in that. But that is pretty much what's inside ActivePresenter. And then you could save and then export. I would recommend putting it inside like a drive, like a 1 terabyte drive, all your videos, because they do take a bit of space, well, a lot of space on your computer if you were to do it. So like a 1 terabyte drive would be good. So let's get on to the outro. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this of me giving tutorials or mini overviews on different apps or other tools. Also, ActivePresenter on their website, which I'll link down below, they have a YouTube channel, which in that YouTube channel they have tips on how to use ActivePresenter and all the features. So that will be useful, and I will put the link in the description. So I guess, bye.